In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you an income stream that I'm currently leveraging to make $1,000 to $3,000 per day in passive income, simply working 15 minutes per day.
Yeah.
Weezy,
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire ass video. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, I am the Wolf of Marketing, and I teach people how to make money online simply by selling different products and things along those lines. If you like this type of content, hit that notifications bell, hit the subscribers button right to join the family. But let's get into the content. Now let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now let me just go ahead and refresh this really quick. Here's my Stripe account. Here's one of my income streams. $200 today, $97 yesterday. This week we're at about $1,097. Now this is actually, believe it or not, one of my lower weeks. My biggest week with this income stream has been $5,000. And I actually didn't even look at the other income stream. So this is probably about a $2,000 week right now if I count the 5 income streams. However, this is just the main income stream. So $1,097. Now you're probably asking, how do I make this type of money working 15 minutes per day? Let me just get straight to the point. I mean, I could go back to my story of how I used to make $200 per week, slaving away at 40 hours per week at some stupid desk job that I hated, right? But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the solution to that and what got me out of that, which is affiliate marketing. So what I leverage is something called a 3-step sales funnel. What a sales funnel is simply a completely automated process to where it sells for me when I'm not even there. Now let me go ahead and actually show you the process and then show you really what I'm actually using to get this done, right? So first, all I'm doing is simply sending them to a landing page or a little mini website, however you want to call it, whatever makes most sense to you. And the first step is this: take this free thing. I'm simply giving away something for free, right? In exchange for that free thing, I'm getting this person's email. Now, once they give me that email, there's going to be a short video, me just introducing myself, letting them know, hey, look, you and whatever that free thing is, I'm going to go ahead and create a video congruent with that. And on the back end, I'm going to be selling something congruent with that. I'm going to explain in a second. But I'm going to say, hey, while you wait for that free thing, right? First, let me introduce myself. My name is Eric. This is where I come from. This is what I'm trying to accomplish. This is what I want to help you do. You obviously got access to this free thing because you wanted to learn blank. So let's just say it's weight loss. You got access to this free weight loss guide because you want to learn how to lose weight. If you want to learn how to lose weight faster, check this out. Boom, simple. If you obviously were looking to make money online, right? If you want something that can teach you how to make money online faster, check this out. Boom. Then I'm going to go ahead and simply redirect people to this affiliate offer. And the affiliate offer, right, is going to be the affiliate offer of your choice. Now, the reason why we grab these emails is because what happens is 8 out of 10 people aren't going to go ahead and buy the first time they contact you. It's going to take a while for people to actually buy from you because people only make purchase decisions based off of people they know, like, and trust. So to get people to know, like, and trust you, what you can do is you can, a couple of things, send them emails, right? You got their email, you can send them emails of value. And then number 2 is you can also send them emails redirecting them back to the same affiliate page. And if you want to make even more money, because I have many affiliate offers, this is just one of them, you can redirect them back to different affiliate offers within the same niche that can help you make money and monetize. So let me actually show you realistically what I'm doing and how this takes me 10 to 15 minutes per day. Now, I was running paid traffic to this specific income stream. I actually stopped. What I'm doing right now is YouTube, but this works with paid traffic as well. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys 2 options, but in this one, I'm going to show you guys what I'm currently doing. So if you notice, guys, 4 minutes and 45 seconds. This is literally me recording a video from my phone, right? This video right now is about 5 minutes. Definitely won't go over 10 minutes. So it took me about 5 minutes. Look, I literally planned this video out. It took me about 5 minutes to plan this video out, and it's going to take me less than 10 minutes to record. Now, all I'm doing is creating content around a specific niche. When I create content, then I actually have a whole team behind me who's taking care of the rest. I'm going to go ahead and explain, right? But let's take a look at this, right? Here's my last video. And then if we look at the free affiliate marketing course, right? Here's my free thing. They're gonna go ahead and click this link right here. So here's my landing page. Okay, the video's not even available, so I need to fix that, right? Then get instant access. Put in this. They put in their email. Once they put in their email, then they're gonna go ahead and get access to the thank you page saying, hey, and then I'm gonna be introducing myself. Once I introduce myself, I'm gonna be redirecting them to an affiliate offer. Boom. So this is what I'm promoting with this specific funnel, with this specific traffic source on the back end of my funnel. So all you have to do, guys, is set up a funnel. Then all you have to do is set up your email autoresponder. So I use ClickFunnels to set up my funnels. I use Aweber to set up my emails, right? Now you're probably wondering, well, what about writing your emails? What about all this extra stuff? Guys, I set up the funnel one time. Once I set up the funnel, as far as my emails, I don't write my own emails. I have somebody else writing my emails for me, right? I'm okay. I'm willing to say that. I got to the income level to where I was able to outsource my email marketing. Somebody writes my emails. So all I have to do for this specific income stream to make $1,000 to $3,000 per week is simply create a piece of it. Think about a video content that's going to go to provide value to my audience. Record it, send it to my video editor. He's going to go ahead and edit the video. Once he edits the video, he's going to go ahead and upload it to my YouTube channel. Once that's done, they're going to send it to my copywriter. My copywriter is going to write an email about it. Then they're going to send it to my list. And then I'm going to be giving them value and then literally redirecting them to an affiliate offer on my email list, right? So that's simplistically what I'm doing. I literally just have one of these funnels set up. My traffic source that I'm driving to this automation process is YouTube, right? That's my traffic source of choice, but you guys can do blogging for free. This is slow and steady wins the race. If you guys want something more quicker, you guys can be doing paid traffic. Let's just say Udimi. And this is more so for the make money online niche, but there's so many different paid traffic sources. Do your research. I'm just going to give you guys one. Udimi is a paid traffic source where you guys can literally drive traffic to your funnel in the MMO niche, make money online niche. If you want to go ahead and send traffic, let's just say for weight loss or things along those lines, learn Facebook ads or something like that, right? But guys, this is what I'm doing right now. It's making extra $1,000 to $3,000 per week, working 10 to 15 minutes per day. Now, are you going to be able to work 10 to 15 minutes per day? Maybe not when you first get started, because you're going to have to write your own emails. You're going to have to set up your sales funnels. You're going to have to do all this extra stuff, right? However, eventually, the cool thing is you can get to that income earning potential. All you have to do is set things in place, execute, hire up, put a team around you, and you very well could be working 10 to 15 minutes per day, making an extra $1,000 to $3,000 per week, and have a life of time, location, and financial freedom. Now, if you want to know the exact affiliate offer that I'm currently promoting to make 6 figures online, right? Click the button down below if you're watching this on my email list. Click the links down below if you're watching this on my YouTube account, right? By the way, guys, it's that simple. That's the call to action. Do I want you to buy my stuff? Absolutely, because the stuff that you're going to buy from me is going to help me. But instead, right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide value, and I'm going to build a relationship with you before I actually try to sell you something. Even if you never buy something for you, I'm going to go ahead and provide value, right? That's the name of the game. It's called the 80-20 rule. 80% value, 20% product recommendation. So if you gain value from that video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribers button if you're not subscribed already. Can't wait to see you guys on the next video. And as always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.